The true test of a trader isn't the wins, it's the response to a loss. We kicked off our Saturday session with 12 sell positions on Bitcoin. The setup looked perfect, the momentum was there, and the trade size was solid 0.25 per position on a $1,300 balance. But the market doesn't care about your confidence, and our first position ended in a loss. For many, that moment could have ended the day. That small setback could have triggered fear, self-doubt, or even worse, revenge trading. But not here, not with MetaFlux Elite Trader. Because what separates the average trader from the profitable one isn't just the system they use, it's the mindset they carry. A loss is never the enemy. Giving up after a loss is. MetaFlux adjusted, reanalyzed the market direction, and waited. It didn't panic, it didn't rush, it simply followed logic and discipline. That's the core of winning in trading.
every person, when we start trading, or everyone who goes into the financial market and start trading, one thing is guaranteed: how much you're gonna lose is the amount that you're putting into the market. Ever you're gonna lose anything. But what's not certain is how much money you're gonna be making. You make a whole lot of it, or you lose everything that you can make. That's why I always trade automatically, guys, because you know what, automated trading has proven over and over to be better in every way compared to manual trading. This is it right here. We have trades open on Bitcoin, and it's Bitcoin USD. So let's look at this. So as you can see, we've got our stop loss here, placed automatically by the system. This is TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, TP5, TP6. So we've got 6 areas of values where we're planning to exit on this particular market right now. So if the market goes into our favor, as you can see now, it's going against us. But for the past 20 minutes, it was going towards our favor. It just didn't hit any of our profit targets. But anyways, they are measures that we've put in place just in case things don't go through. Like you see now, the trading SR keeps adjusting each and every time a new candle is formed. So trading on 5-minute time frame, so that means each and every candle is gonna form after each and every 5 minutes. And look at this. So our risk has been mitigated, will be managed gradually by the system. As you can see, the market continues to move against us. That's not a problem. We'll probably lose plus or minus less than 200 USD. And that's given, that's something that we already know. But what we don't know is how much we're going to end up making if ever the market decides to go. Let's say the market doesn't strike, as you can see right there, it doesn't strike our stop loss, just continue to go towards one direction. So how much are we really going to make? That's not certain. So that's one of those things that I love about automated trading, guys. Look at this. So much momentum to the downside, and I'm for this. Look at this, look at this. This is wonderful, this is good. And this is something that we don't know is going to happen in the market. We just have to be patient enough and have a stomach for it and be patient. It takes discipline to be patient, by the way. You know, it was once said by the Queen of England, like the late Queen of England. She said the hardest things for the royal family to do is to do nothing. And believe me, it's so into trading as well. That's one of the most hardest things. Look at this. It's just cheesing us, you know. I'm just waiting for it to strike TP1, TP2, TP3. But it seems like there's a lot of indecisions in this market, guys. Because, you know, by the looks of it, I can tell if like the market is going down, it's going up. It's just like this that warp to the buyers and the sellers. Where if like anyone is controlled between the two, will know maybe on the next candle or this indecision will continue to be forming. But anyway, this is automated trading, guys. Everything is done by the system. So let's rely on the system. That 160 USD now looks like okay, now it's still going up and down. So let's see what the market does. But as long as the market goes down, we'll definitely make money. And if it goes up, this is going to trigger our trailing stop loss, which is something that has been built into the system, which is placed automatically. I'm not doing anything, I'm just sitting watching the market. I'm plugged on 5-minute time frame. So let's see what the market does. Let's see. I'm just hoping for the push to the downside right now, and which is currently happening, sitting over 100 and it's hard to tell because like you see the price just keeps on going high and high and high and high. But anyway, let's see what the market does. Let's see, just strike TP1 and continue to go, then I think we're gonna be fine. But this bullishness and this bearishness, you know, like it's like they're exchanging a lot, like there's changing power there. Like there's no one who has the momentum right now. Like I'm just hoping for the sellers to drive the price down. Because Bitcoin, you know, today Bitcoin has been like a little bit volatile and going to the downside. If we can look over here, if you have like some technical analysis background, you can see what's happening over here. And where we at, I think I move from an area of resistance, and that's why the buyers are trying to push the price down, and I think that's why the system decided to push the price down. So let's look, guys. This is one of the most beautiful trades that we can have so far. Okay, let's see. Less than 1 minute 30 seconds before this candle closes. 1 minute 3 seconds. Let's see. I hope it I just hope it hits, like it triggers our take profit level 1, and then it goes to level 2 and level 3 as well. So let's see. It seems like the bias, because like the current candle right now is bearish, and I'm happy with that. I saw it's our direction. Let's see. Oh, look at that wick. Let's see. Let's give it a little bit of time. So another feature that I like about this system is I was just hoping for the trailing S to break below. To start being placed below the entry point. So far it hasn't been, which is also fine, because like I'm thinking maybe like this was a false, reversal. But let's see what happens. 10 to 15 minutes from now, we'll know. We'll definitely know. We're floating at above $100 US. So let's see. Will the market continue to go down? I'm hoping it does. I'm just hoping it does continue to go down. But it looks like a bullish candle is forming right now, and I'm for bearish candle because like the system has bet that the market will go down. But let's see. Let's continue to be patient. So that's it. That's part of trading, guys. Whoo, that bullishness, guys, like kind of like triggered the nails. One thing about automated trading, guys, it takes the emotions away from the trading. Because like I know maybe some of you normal traders would have reacted there closed, but look at this, we're still going up over $200 US. You saw that. So let's see. Let's wait a little bit. And like I'm looking at these candle formations here. It's hard to tell, guys. You can see a bullish engulfing pattern or bearish engulfing pattern and be like sure that the market is going to do exactly how you think it's going to happen, and the opposite happens. This is trading, guys. This is trading, and it's crypto. So look at this. Patience. So this is looking at crypto, forex, indexes, commodities. I love gold, right? So yeah, let's see. So I'm also planning to share content as good as this one, guys. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like it, and do follow for more. This is what I'm talking about here. The market is indecisive, guys. It's indecisive. I was just hoping it's just gonna go down all the way, but it seems like we're another thing in stock. And even if like we lose on this trade, you can see where we've placed our stop loss, where the system has placed our stop loss so far, and it has been adjusting it gradually as like the market accumulates volume. As volume builds up, so does the RSI tightens as well. You need a system that's gonna give you like good proper risk management, just like this one. So let's see. Let's continue to see. So it's like this an area of support over here, because when I look at this over here, it looks like it was an area of value over there, and over there just supports the fact. So maybe that's why we're struggling to go even below. But anyway, let's see what a system like the market does. The system is predicted that it's gonna go all the way down. So let's wait and see. The market, less than 35 seconds before this candle closes, and it looks like it's a doji candlestick. Like nothing has been decided. It's like for the past 5 minutes, nothing was decided. It's not okay. It's not. Oh, now it's going bearish. Let's see. Maybe it can give us a little bit of momentum to the downside, and let's see if it's a decider that the market will continue to go below this area of value right here. So I don't look at support and resistance as the lines on the charts. I look at it as an area. Okay. So it was like bearish. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I'm seeing a continuation pattern. I could be wrong. Let's see what the system does. Lots of indecision. So from $200 US to less than, okay, back above $100 US, but I see a reversal right there. So let's see. But anyway, you can decide to lock in this 100 USD if you don't have the patience, but I wouldn't recommend that. Let the system does its things. Be able to do like having that mentality to lose something if you're gonna lose anything, and always risk the amount of money that you know what you're not gonna suffer even if you lose it. And if you make a lot of money out of that money, you know that you're a good investor. So I think that's one of the good things that you can take out of this. So let's see what happens. Let's see, less than 4 minutes before this candle closes. To be exact, 3 minutes and 49 minutes. Let's see, less than $100 and it still doesn't want to push up, or it doesn't want to push down. It was just knocking on our TP1. Let's see, and as you can see, like the SL is not really being adjusted that much because there's low volatility on the market. Let's see as the volume comes in. This is saturated today, so let's see. I'm just trying to make a little buck and see how a signals work. So yeah, let's see. Hopefully it pushes down. I just want to see it push down. I hope it pushes down. Yes. So one thing about the market doesn't care whether if you're in that position or not. So as you can see, guys, it triggered our SL, and this is another good thing, guys, because like, you know what, you need a system that's gonna like not hesitate whenever like it's right or wrong, in a sense. So we lost about $102, and we had to pay, you know, the commission, because this is a zero spread account, and we paid around $48 in commission. And as you can see, we lost 150 so far, including their commission, and we're checking in some buys. So this is another good feature that I like about the system, guys. Whenever it's wrong, it just knows when to change the market direction. And it's nothing wrong. People lose on the forex industry, and it will show these kind of things. And it also, again, it shows that, you know what, this is not 100% guaranteed that, you know what, if you're using this system, you're gonna be able to recoup each and every money. You know, people always make disclaimers and saying like any like historic, you know, result doesn't guarantee future results, you know. So that's that. This just shows that. So look at this, we're going in full buys. Now we're reversing below. There's a lot of indecisions in this market, guys. As you can see, there are opportunities. The opportunities are there, so there isn't placed any SL yet. Because anticipating that the market will continue to the upside, and which is also one nice thing, because like, you know, you need to put an SL in an area where, you know, if ever like market reverses to this certain place, that means like it was wrong. So it's still analyzing that, like it's analyzing that now it has taken buys. So if ever the market reverses, you know, if it passes this point, like you can see now, it just placed and just at the tip of those previous candles. So it's saying if the market reverses there, that means my buys were wrong. It means the buys were wrong. Then we should close those positions and just look into other opportunities as well. So which is a good thing to me. If you ask me, as a developer of the system, it's a good thing, because like you need, each and every time you place a trade, you need to also ask yourself, what will happen if ever like you're wrong? Where would you exit this wrong trade? So this is one of those things right here that I'm looking at. And if you're right, why are you gonna exit? Then it's like you see, you know, it focuses on the right side before it looks into the negative side, because we're going into each and every trade looking to score profit. Hence, like it determines first where are we gonna exit for TP1, where are we gonna exit for TP2, TP3, and TP4. So that's that. And look at this. We're using plus like minus 120 something, and it's still going. But like I see like some good momentum to the upside, so I'm gonna go for the upside. So let's see. I'm not saying I'm right, I'm wrong. Let's see what the system is seeing on the market, because like it's all on the system, guys. The decision is that of the system. And anyway, each and every time we open this trade, the broker makes $48 off us. Like it's given. $48 goes to the broker. So let's see. Each and every time we open a trade, that's that. Let's see what happens now. Yo, that's tight. That's tight. Almost hit our stop loss. That's tight. It almost hit our stop loss. Indecisions again on the market, guys. Yo. So I don't know, like the bullish momentum, is it here, is it not? Because like, I'm seeing a lot of bearish candlesticks over here. Like for the past hour, there's been a lot of bearish candles forming. So I'm not sure about the bullishness, but anyway, let's look at the system. Let's look at the system, guys, because like it was on a sell previously when we thought we're going to materialize on that and didn't materialize. Now we're back looking for buying opportunities and we're on a buy. And this is what's happening right here. Now let's see. If this candle closes above the previous candles, like the previous close of the previous candle, then at least we'll have something. Uh, 1 minute 6 seconds before this candle closes. Let's see. I was hoping for a bullish momentum to pull out for now, because like I mean, like, it's been a while now. We've been on this trade for a while. This is a second trade. The first trade didn't materialize. Now let's see for the second trade. I'm just hoping to flip this account in just these 2 trades only, because the system can do that. We don't need many trade in order for us to do that. Just those simple 2 trades. $82. I think we have something over here. Just should be like real good momentum to the upside, and then we're done with that. If we can have a little bit push up, come on, do a push up. Let's see. We just need a good push up, guys. Hopefully the market gives us that push up. Ooh, a little bit of an adjustment on the trading SL to make it a little bit tighter, because like it's getting, the volume is not there, and then if it's not there, maybe like we should exit quickly. Let's see. The volume is not here, guys. The volume is not here. It's like the market is consolidating or something. There's a consolidation here. Takes patience to be a trader, and most people don't have this patience. I do. I know trading, guys. I know the market has nothing on you. Doesn't even know about this. Ooh, that's tight, guys. That's tight. Almost, it's just knocking on our SL. And we were over 200 USD in losses. And another thing, you need to be able to know how much are you willing to lose the account size. So me on this account, I'm willing to let it go. All of it, let the system do a 6. So I'm willing to either lose everything there. I'm not doing full margin or anything. Like, I've given the system chances, because you can see the losses are tight. Last time we lost around 48. And I think like here, if we lose something that's gonna be a little bit steep, it's gonna be over 220, around 250 US dollars. But yeah, let's see what happens. That's another good thing about the system. It is you can see where the risk has been spread, but the potential on profit, you cannot tell how much you can actually make on this. But we can actually track there. It will show us what's on TP6. Let me see if I can do that. Yeah, so I can do this. Just to show guys. See, roughly around. I don't see that, but anyway. Profit of $150 US. So let's stick on to that. Negative 120. Oh, so what's gonna be the profits on TP1? TP1, we're looking at $25 US. That doesn't even cover the spread. That's what this broker does for us. Let's see. 2 bearish candlesticks. We have a spinning top, 2 spinning tops so far. Let's see what happens. After the formation of this candle. We've got 2 minutes 12 seconds before it closes. I hope it gives it a little bit push up. So look at these guys, two spinning tops. The momentum is there, guys. We kind of have double week and the market shoots straight to our SR. But I'm not saying it doesn't happen, it happens, but I'm just for sure on this one. Come on. We cannot have that on this one. Let's see what happens. It hasn't pushed up in a long time now, which is worrying me right now. So other than going out and doing whatever you need to do, man, you can just plug the system and just enjoy the weekend. I'm sure we're gonna have another spinning top. So if you go to the candlestick books, whoa, this is beautiful. Look at this push up. Look, yeah. TP1. Yes, hit TP1. We just hit TP1. Let's see those $25. There we go. But the spread keeps going. I mean, like the commissions on this keep going. You know, I'm so used to spread trading on a spread account. But yeah, that was beautiful. Let's see how far are we from TP2. Let's go for TP2. That's one thing. You can wait as much as you wait, and the market just hits your TP with one candle. It also happens. That's why I love about trading, as long as the market is going towards your direction. And I like a system that acknowledges when it's wrong. Look at this. Did it adjust the SL? Yeah, it did adjust the SL to the low of the previous candle. Yeah, untouched there. So another good thing that's that, guys. So let's see what happens. Another push up. 5 minutes to go until this candle closes. So let's hope we touch TP2. Let's see it on TP2. Yes, there is bullish momentum, and we just yes. So this is the previous high of this candlesticks. Let's see. Yes. Let's touch TP2. You see it touch TP2. Let's see. It needs to go over. Yes. We just close another both of TP2s touch. Let's see if we can touch TP3. He's one of those good trades, guys, that you guys. So 50. So they are $25 away from each other. So let's go to TP3. Let's see TP3. So TP3 is there, and we're knocking on the Haven's door right now. And then 3 minutes 47 seconds until this candle closes. And one thing about the market, guys, it doesn't care whether if you're against the trade, whether if your system is trading or whatever. But this is beautiful. Remember, almost hit TP, we almost hit SLs also on this trade as well. So just to show you that you never know what's gonna happen in the market. You just need the right tools to navigate and manage your trade. Let's go. It might hit 3 TPs with this, in just 3 candles. I don't know. Yes. TP3 hit with just 1 candle. Let's see TP4. Let's see TP4. How much did this go on? 75. So they're $25 apart. And you've seen the input settings. So let's see what happens. We in profit, guys. We make 197. They charge us $72 for commissions, and we're left with $125. So floating $142. Okay, let me do this. Let's see. No, this is epic. This is bullish momentum that we're waiting for, guys. And I'm into this. Like, I'm happy what I'm seeing right now. I'm happy. We got 427 floating right in. So how is going to manage this 450 USD that's floating right now? Let's see what the system does. It's a matter of patience and discipline. So some might take and run with it. But again, it begs the question, you don't know how much money you're going to make in each and every trade that you take. You can only anticipate exits when things go bad or when things go right. And that's what we do to take profit levels, different of them. But you never know. Let's see. I'm loving this. That was good bullish momentum to the upside. We struck TP1, TP2. Very handsome. And you can see one position can recoup all the losses that we took over here. So this is a good system. This is one of the best systems. It's MetaFlux Elite Trader. It's for professionals as well as beginners. If ever you're too lazy to do anything in the market, or you've already analyzed but you don't have the time, guys, or you just want to be an automated trader, because being automated trader is profitable. It takes the emotional side of things away from the platform. So let's see what this does. After this, I think I'm done. That's it. If it continues all the way, yeah, I'm done. Because this is our deposit, guys. I want you to remember that. $1,350 So already made 195. I'm gonna make a withdrawal just now to show you that this is a real account. It takes a bit of time. Yeah, we're gonna get there. System power. Let's see. Guys, we cannot scroll forever, you understand? So you need a system not gonna trade for you automatically. Let me log into my broker. 22 seconds before this candle closes, and I want you to watch where we're gonna put our SL next. So I'm just hoping it's above the entry point, because we need to be able to lock in those profits and supply it. And yes, the system is capable of doing that. So let's see. Yeah, there we go. Let's see how it adjusts the SL. It did not adjust. An error or something, I don't know. No, I just didn't modify. It didn't modify. So maybe it says no need. We'll see it on the next candle formation. So volatility is quite good, guys. So I've just placed the withdrawal. Let's see. It's not coming out yet. But I have a feeling, guys, we're about to strike TP. Yes, let's see. Over 600 USD. Let's strike TP3, guys. TP3, there it is, it's up there. Let's strike TP3, let's see. Just another push the ups. Yes, we hit it. Look at that. 100, 200 US dollars close to quad, and the level of commission still stays the same. Now an 80 US dollars in commission. Ooh, that's a step price, guys. And like, why are you using this, bro, guys? For a system, you need a system that can trade without spread. You understand? Let's see what else over 400 USD. So let's see, the market is still going up. So I just, yeah. Yo, TP4! We struck TP4, guys. It's just now, we struck TP4. This is one of 125. Yo, volatility is this best, guys. We'll have to TP6, we'll go for TP6 very soon. Just have a look at that, Have a look at that, guys. This is beautiful. I'm just looking at something here. Sorry about that, someone was calling me. So yeah, we struck TP6 and our withdrawal is showing right there, guys. Our withdrawal is showing. We just made like 705 in profit. Guys, this is automated trading, 797 in total profit. And we still have what? One trade on TP6. So guys, we struck TP6. We have 120 USD floating, guys. This is incredible historic moments. Let's see this. I just wanted to show you guys how powerful the system is, and we've got 17 seconds before this candle closes, and I want you to check where we're placing our SL at this particular moment. Is it going to be above enterprise? You know, like, let's see. It's going to be above enterprise or what? Oh, just at the enterprise. Look at this. Strike it. Let's see. Does it strike it? Let me zoom in. Yeah, I'm hoping it can strike hand, man. Look, it's like we hit all the TPs that we're supposed to hit. We just need to add 125 USD. Let's see. Someone is coming in with loud music outside. But anyways, I apologize for that, guys. I just wanted to show you how incredible it is to have a system that can literally trade for you, mitigate the risk, as well as to show you how much money you can make into the Bitcoin market. Because like most of my systems, they are based on the forex markets and commodities. And yes, we are done. So also to show you that this is real account, is the withdrawal right there, $150. Yo, the market is still grinding for the upside, guys. But for anything else, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Continue, join me on the next one. It's your boy Peter. This is MetaFlux EAs, guys. This is the best EAs they use in the game. Other than that, I cannot emphasize more, guys. We do appreciate. Let me sign out.
Automated trading disclaimer. The following content is for educational and informational purposes only. Trading financial markets involves risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Past performance is not indicative of future results. MetaFlux systems are fully automated tools and should be used at your own discretion. We do not provide financial advice, and we are not licensed financial advisors. You are solely responsible for any decisions you make while using our tools. Always trade responsibly and never risk more than you can afford to lose.